Ini ndikuedza kukubatsira iwewe.
Tembi mira. Sandi ndataura newe kuti chiku WhatsApp.
Anoda kutofa hangu stobo zvotori nani.
Sandi ndataura newe kuti
Tembi
anokudzera kuti stop.
Gwejairi. Pane kuna Tembi ane gwejairi.
Ndinaere kutaura newe kuti stop.
Tembi ati save gwejairi.
Don't do that, Sandi.
Keep carrying on, Sandi. It was so ndikurwira kuti nditomisa ma breaks izvozvi so. And you want to open live uchitaura zvauri kutaura.
This is wrong, Sandi.
Ndikupopera ma breaks inini
ndakubvunza kuti screenshot rawasenda ndere chokwadi kana ndere ukati effect. It's a fact chat.
Ndere kunyaya bairo. That's an account.
Deformation of character. Au create machate kunyepa. Stop it.
Ndikupopera ma breaks. Auya akati Sandi apologize.
This is deformation of character. Stop it.
Auya akati Sandi apologize. Wakumuvhurira live now wakumuchedana kuti Jairos jiri. Unomuzivira kupi?
Ani Sandi. Ndataura newe ku WhatsApp ndikati Sandi.
Ndikupopera ma breaks uko. Iwe unotouya pana kuchitaura uchitoresha muromo. Now you got 260 people vanhu vari kudenana kuti hanze nemunotsvaka munhu anonzi akati. What you done is wrong, Sandi.
No, when you're wrong. I thought this relationship was a cloud.
Stop it. Enda unokumbira regerero. Inga ndakuudza wani.
Ndokumbira regero Tembi. Tembi ndakupa screenshot.
Usakumbira inini
ndiye wawashibisa zita. Enda unokumbira murume wake ruregero. This is deformation of character.
Iwe unofuti pane mnanga yako iri box kwangu here.
Amusha ndikutaura kuti iwewe uri wrong. Inga ndikukuudza wani. Enda unokumbira
you are blocked because aufani kundisekerera you are blocked and napasa newe
so wavura life yako waenda ukanomubloka kuprofile kwake where you went following each other or anything like that. You now blocked him and now you're here tarnishing his name.
I did not block him.
You're now tarnishing his name.
I did not block him.
You're now tarnishing his name. And I'm saying to you, stop.
This is wrong, Sandi.
You're tarnishing his name. It's wrong.
285 uri wrong.
Tembi.
Sandi.
I did not block him.
Sandi. Ndati pandauya ku WhatsApp ndakuti chi.
Wazonduzoti nyaya relationship iri serious.
Ndikakuti chi. Last message yangu ndati chi.
I want to stop it usaningirikine usataure nezvazvo. But zvandi offenda zvauya na Jairos.
Wa offendwa chiwe chicha.
Wa offenda chi ati apologize.
Ndiri kuenda kumapurisa yowe what.
Because message ya wa former message
yanga yakanzi apologize.
I didn't know kuti message muningirikine muri serious Tembi.
All he asked you to do was to apologize. He asked you to apologize. That's all he asked. Anakutuka, anakuta say ati Sandi apologize for what you did.
Okay, I'm sorry, Tembi, for sending you a fact.
It's not I'm sorry,
I will
Tembi.
apologize to you, Tembi. You deserve my apology, not your husband. You deserve my apology, Tembi. I send you a fact.
You've got a history. Kumapurisa. Of the same thing.
So for real.
And I'm trying to stop him, and you're it's a joke. You've got previous records of the same thing. I'm trying to save your ass. I'm not apologizing to him. I'm not apologizing to him.
This live was not even necessary, Sandi. Don't do that.
How can you
do you know what? Let me say something, guys.
How can you get a relationship with him? This is not a man.
Wait, stop. Tembi. Stop. When I say you guys, Sandi has been doing this for a long time, and you guys have been laughing at it. Now, it's now a problem. Prior to this, you guys think it's second. Now you see, my uncle on the page, and now you guys are calling her out, and it shouldn't be like that. And that it's fine. But
don't include me in that hazel. Don't include me in that hazel. I don't like her bullshit.
No, I'm just saying, Sandi. No, I'm not in a bad way. Not in a bad way. But take it
Baby Jagwa pindura zvawabvunzwa. Baby Jagwa pindura zvawabvunzwa.
Akanditeka rini Stobo
my jokes. I understand my jokes.
Baby Jagwa pindura zvawabvunzwa.
All the time Stobo, you always hosting. Akamboita zvake zveku top ovhadzo kuti ndakandipopengereka ombeta so mumboita say, but we've entertained her for so long, for a very long time. Now it's closer to home.
Ndoda kuudza pamberi pevanhu 337. Even ukazondipandukira ukazondituka, it's okay, I don't mind. This is wrong. Auna munhu waunomboteerera ko kumboteerera for once unobvei.
It's okay, Stobo. I will listen to you. Stobo. Ndagadzira mafake chat. Okay, I'm sorry to Tembi and his fiance for creating fake chats. I thought this relationship was a cloud. Baby Jagwa, you are blocked. I don't tolerate idiots.
But it's the truth.
I don't tolerate idiots. I'm sorry you are blocked. Because a
lot of people have been entertaining you for so long. Sandy, they've entertained you for so long. And you go in ruining people's lives. So you can block me all you want, but as long as you talk on each other, not only it doesn't matter. But the fact is people are second for a very long time. For a very long time. And now just so close to home. Hence the reason why now there is no, I don't care. Say Sandy, say Sandy, and social media say the truth is the truth. Listen, people are entertaining you for a very long time. People have been entertaining you for a very long time. That's the problem. And we're not going to ruin people's lives in the process as well.
You don't tell me what to do.
People's lives in the process as well. And it's the same thing over and over again. Before tonight, Sandy, guess what you're going to do? Before tonight, later on, Mangwana, you understand? Whatever your gesture, but the truth of the matter is, we were Sandy for a very, 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 very long time. And that's just the truth.
No, I
in peace. The matter, Chagabasa, after that, you can more than 1 month. Everybody. Kutongera vanhu mari dzavo. If they don't give you vakasakwa mari, then they have a problem. I don't mind. But that's the truth. There's other people in Zimbabwe, people in South Africa that need help. It's not only you. You're capable. You've got your 2 hands, you've got your 2 legs. Now you want a soft life. You cannot live a soft life if you don't work hard for it.
Yes, sir.
Good.
Thank you.
Live a soft life. If you don't.
Yes, sir.
Say, I don't mind doing it as much as you want, but chop what you work for yourself. Last time I but it's because of you. Because of this problem. You are the reason why. You are the reason why. You are going through all those problems, not because of anybody else. You cannot do that. Shout as much as you want. It is fine. Shout that Go to work, do something for yourself. Every day.
Listen to me.
Nine.
Hold degrees as a nurse. Go and look for work.
You are still about this money by life bank.
And unochaga basa. Go and look for work. Make sure you leave panto pana pon one year on the blocker. As long as you go and look for work. We cannot keep supporting one person. And on top of that, after Mangwana oningo wako zoti I need this. It doesn't work like that, my darling. It doesn't work like that. It does not work like that. Go, you will. All right, Sunday, today's Saturday. What are you doing for your Saturday? What are you doing for your Saturday? What exactly are you doing for your Saturday? What are you doing for your Saturday? You haven't done anything. Apart from this, watching Netflix and center. Where is your child right now? You don't even know what kind of that's what you went and did. So that you can come back on social media to do what? Talk as much as you want.
That's not going
Anonzani. Sandy,
Mukapinza munuyu.